Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I'm actually loving bold lips at the moment, like nothing on the eyes, no lashes and like a bold lip. I think it looks really pretty, but if you want to see how I created this makeup look then please just keep on watching. To start off my base, I want this to be like a really nice dewy finish. So I'm going to start off with my MAC Fix Plus, but this is the pink light edition. So it's got like pink iridescent reflex in there, so it makes your skin look really like nice and dewy and glowy. I'm then going to apply a small amount of my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm going to apply this on the outside of my face and then blend it inwards. For foundation, I'm going to be using this NYX Mineral Stick Foundation in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. And I'm going to blend it out with my damp beauty sponge. To contour, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep, and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones and forehead and blend that out with my damp beauty sponge. And then to highlight and lighten up the contour, because it is slightly a little bit dark for me, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. Because I do want this to be like a really nice glowy dewy look, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with my MAC Fix Plus with the pink light reflecting Fix Plus. Love this. So I'm just going to spray my whole face again, like basically drench it. And then I like to go back to my damp beauty sponge that I've just used, just to press that into the skin so it doesn't leave any like marks on there. I'm just going to let my foundation sit for a little bit on my face before I do anything else, like before I powder or anything. I like to do this just so it like dries naturally, just slightly, so it's not too wet before I powder, because sometimes on my skin, because it is oily, it can go a little bit funny, so I just like to let it set just for a little bit. While I'm waiting, I'm going to fill in my brows with my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brows in the shade, I think, Bridget, but it's rubbed off, so I'll link it down below. I'm now going to set my lids and under my eyes, as always, with my RCMA Translucent Loose Powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade 1 Fair. As always, I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to contour. I like to pick up the middle shade, tap off the excess, and I just like to pop this on my cheekbones. Also on the apples of my cheeks, just kind of like bronze up the skin as well. I like to take that on my forehead. I'm also going to take that on my nose, just to sort of like really quickly contour with. Nothing major. For blush, I'm going to apply a small amount of the MAC Fleur Power. Apply that on the apples of my cheeks and blend it up. I don't like too much blush, but I like just like a really like subtle sort of hint. I'm just going to apply this on my cheekbones and like work it right up towards the temples. And I like to apply it just ever so slightly on the apple of my cheek, just so like you can really sort of see the highlight pretty much wherever I go. That is so... I love this highlight. I don't use it all the time, but whenever I do I'm like, oh, it's my favourite. I like to take that right beginning of the brow there and sort of blend it across. And if you do find it is a little bit harsh sometimes, you can just take your damp beauty blender and just blend over the top, just to sort of like set it back. Just using the same brush, I'm going to take that down my nose and also on the tip. Do love a good nose highlight. And I'm going to apply that on the Cupid's bow as well. Now moving on to the eyes, because I think I'm going to do like a bold lip. Like a bright sort of like maybe fuchsia pinky. I'm going to not do too much to the eyes, just maybe just something, but I always like to do a shimmer. But first I'm going to go in back to my Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to pick up the darker shade from my Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to take this on the outer corner of my eye. And as I go up towards the brow, I'm just going to apply it really light hand. Just taking another clean blending brush, I'm going to go in with the middle shade, and I'm just going to take that into my crease, right to the inner corner, right out to that end of the brow. I'm going to take a pencil brush and pick up the darker shade and run that under my lower lash line. Just going to go like halfway, I'm not going to go all the way across. I'm going to take this eyeshadow by Manakada Beauty in the shade Fantasy, and I'm going to just take it on my finger and apply it to my whole lid. I'm also going to take that into the inner corner of my eye as well. Love this. It's so soft but yet like really effective. It's so pretty for like the daytime and like summer. I'm going to curl my lashes, and then for mascara I'm going to use the Clinique High Impact Mascara. This is one of my favourites. I'm going to take this Heavy Metal Urban Decay eyeliner in the shade Glam Rock, and I'm going to line my inner lower lash line. Looks so pretty. Then to finish off this look, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Surprise Me. It's this really pretty, bright fuchsia pink lip. Now I don't wear pink ever, but I just thought this just looked so nice, and I love her velvet lips. They're so comfortable to wear. And you know, I'm feeling a little bit daring after my red lip winged eyeliner video. I don't know, I wanted to try it out. So this is the final result. I all hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I'm absolutely loving how it turned out. I love like bold lips at the moment with like nothing going on too much on the eyes. But yeah, I all hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I do new videos.